Hey everyone, this is Anam. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'll be discussing the summary of lesson number 1, the fun they had from the book Beehive of class 9. The Fun They Had is a science fiction. It's written by the American writer Isaac Asimov. The story is set in future in the year 2157, which is more than 100 years from now. The protagonist, the lead character of the story, is a girl named Margie. Margie is 11 years old. The story starts with Margie making an entry in her diary. She writes, "Today, Tommy found a real book." Tommy is Margie's friend. He's 13 years old. Tommy found a book in the storeroom of his house. The book appeared to be centuries old. The pages had become yellow and wrinkled, so it appeared that it belonged to Tommy's grandfather's grandfather. For these children, Margie and Tommy, it was a big deal to find a book because they had never seen a real book in their life. It was the first time they were seeing a book which had pages and which had words printed on it. So they were so excited about the book, especially Margie. So Margie asks Tommy that what the book is about. Tommy tells her the book is about schools. Margie is disappointed. Schools? Who would write a book about schools? I mean, who would want to read a book about schools? She hated her school. Why? Why did she hate her school? Well, like I said, these children, Margie and Tommy, they lived in the future. And the future was entirely different from the present times. For example, in the future, they didn't have schools. They didn't have to go to a school to get an education. In fact, in place of a school, they had a schoolroom. The schoolroom was in the house itself. They didn't have to go anywhere. They didn't have human teachers to teach them. They studied through computers with the help of computers, which they called mechanical teachers. Mechanical teacher because it was a machine. They didn't even have books. All the data, the e-text, diagrams, pictures, everything was saved in the computer and they would study. That was exactly the reason why Margie hated her school. See, as you can see in the picture, the schoolroom was right next to her bedroom and she couldn't even skip the classes. Her mother had set a timetable for her and she had to follow the timetable every day. She would wake up in the morning and then after having her breakfast, she would go to her schoolroom. She would sit in front of the computer and start studying one subject after the other. She didn't have any friends, she didn't have any classmates. If she got stuck anywhere, she didn't have anyone who would help her. So she found this process very boring. It was very torturous. So that was the reason Margie hated her school. And the mechanical teacher not only just taught them, it also gave them homework and assignments. They had to complete the homework in a programming language, and after completing, they had to submit the work back to the machine in the provided space. The machine would check the work and give them marks according to their performance. So Margie always hated her school, but these days she was hating it even more. Why? The mechanical teacher had been giving her test after test in geography and she had been doing worse and worse. Her performance was becoming very poor. Her mother was worried, so she called the county inspector. As you can see in the picture, the county inspector was a fat little man. So whenever the mechanical teacher had any issues, whenever it had any faults, so county inspector was called. So he was a kind of mechanic for the machine. So he would check everything and fix the computer. Margie was very happy because she remembered once when Tommy's mechanical teacher had stopped working, the same county inspector had come and he had taken the machine with him for a month. He didn't come back for a month. So she was hoping the same thing for herself. At that time, Tommy's mechanical teacher's history sector had completely blanked out. So she was hoping the same thing for herself, that now county inspector is going to take away the machine and she would have all the fun. She didn't have to study anymore for a couple of weeks at least. But much to her dismay, county inspector fixed the problem within an hour. So he fixed the problem, he took the teacher apart, he checked everything, he found what the problem was and he fixed it. He also told Margie's mother that the reason why Margie was performing so bad in geography wasn't her fault. So the problem was with the mechanical teacher. The geography sector was running very fast. Margie, since she was a little girl, she wasn't able to read the text on the screen. It was flashing so quickly. She wasn't able to learn her lessons, and that was what the problem was. And he tells her that now he had fixed the problem. He had slowed down the speed of the geography sector, and in future Margie won't face any problem. Anyways, coming back to the original story. So when Margie asks Tommy, why would anyone write a book about school? Because school is such a boring thing. Who would want to read about school? Tommy told her that actually the book wasn't about their kind of school, the school which they attended, the school room. It was about the old kind of school, which was hundreds of years ago, which their forefathers used to go. He tells her that those kind of schools were not there in the house itself. It was in fact a huge building. Hundreds of children would go to the same school. All the kids in the neighborhood would go to the school in the school van, enjoying themselves, enjoying each other's company and talking to each other. In the school, the children of same age group would sit together in one classroom and they would study the same lessons, the same concepts. And they were taught by a human teacher, not a machine. The teacher not only taught them, but since he was a human, he could understand their feelings and emotions also. And they didn't have to study all alone. They had so many classmates. If they faced any problem with their homework, they could ask their friends. In the lunchtime, they could share their food. They could go to the playground to play with each other. So the old kind of school was very happening. It was so good. So when Margie and Tommy were talking to each other about this old kind of school, Margie's mother comes and she tells Margie to go to her schoolroom and start studying because, like I said, she had a fixed timetable which she had to follow. Obviously, she didn't want to go because she was enjoying her conversation with Tommy about the old kind of school. Still, she had to go. She sat in front of the computer. She started studying. Words started flashing on the screen. Text was moving. But Margie was still thinking about the old kind of school. She was imagining the fun they had in those kind of schools, the fun which those children had who used to go to old kind of schools. So yeah, that's all about it. I'm sure if you listen to the summary carefully, you will be able to answer all the questions which could come from this lesson in the exam. If you found this video useful, then please subscribe to my channel, Anam Chahar. Thank you.